do add video links to your Brightspace course. We'll go up to Content and go down to New. Within whichever module you want to add your video to, you go to that module, click on it, and we're going to click on New. We're going to go up to Video and Audio, Video or Audio. And here we need a URL or embed code. So we'll go over to YouTube, we'll go down here, click on Share, and we're going to copy the link. And we're going to go back over to Brightspace. I'm going to paste that link, and we're going to add a title. Alright, scroll down, nothing more we need to add, hit save. And by doing it this way, it will embed the video within Brightspace, and when students watch this, their time spent on this particular piece of content will be tracked. Okay? Now, there's another way that you can embed video. We can go to New and create a link. Here we have to add the title. Paste the URL. Now, right here there's a little fine print that says if we open this as an external resource, the user progress is not tracked. So I'm not going to check that box, but I am going to hit the create button, and it will add it in here as well. Now this activity can be tracked when they do watch it from here. Now when they click on this, it does give them the option to go to YouTube and watch it. If they do that, then obviously their progress won't be tracked. But as long as they watch it within here, you can see how much they're interacting with your content. Okay? If you have any questions about that or need any further help about embedding a video in your content area, please contact Jason or Caleb. We're in the basement at Cowan Hall, room 110. Thank you.